Okay guys, today we're gonna do a demonstration of this Harbor Breeze Cypress point ceiling fan. Complete demonstration of it, guys. It was low. By the way, this fan was just installed, it's brand new. There it is. Never demonstrated one of these fans before. Here's medium, that was low. This is medium now. Pretty good air. That was high. That's pretty good air. No wobble to it, that's good. Oh. Okay. Alright, well that wraps up this quick little video of this demonstration. That's it, guys.